Now I get the luxury of parking. Dad cannot get his corn head through the door, so his stays outside. I'm gonna grab my gloves out of here. I'm gonna start getting these combines ready to go. Dad says by the fuel pump he needs fuel. And we're gonna tap the 10 and the 50-hour grease circs on these machines, check fluids, and then we can go pick corn. There's rain in the forecast. I think my phone's got like a 30% chance at noon. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Wonder how he is on def here. That's always the fun stuff to put in here. He didn't mention it, so I'm sure he's all right. We are good on oil. Actually, I gotta leave that open. Gotta hit a couple grease points in there. We got a 50, two 50s and a 10. Gotta hit them in there. And then on the side of the machine. Ladder's down, yeah, no kidding. Gotta go fill this thing up with fuel. Just purring. Sure looks like it could rain anytime soon. My phone's not showing much on the radar, just kind of spotty stuff, so I guess we'll see how it goes today. So all the corn that we raise is food grade corn that goes to Frito-Lay. We raise a lot more white corn than yellow. We just have a small little percentage of yellow corn. So most of it's corn chips. So Frito-Lay is just northeast of our farm, about 5 miles, really convenient. So all of our corn goes to Frito-Lay. We've got how many bins? We got 4 bins at the farm. I had to think about it for a second. So we will fill them up. We got winter contracts, spring and summer. So we do a little bit of hauling kind of all year round. So we're about done with this field here. I think we got another round here left, and we will be moving to the next field that's right up the road. So here comes Dad right now on his 9230. Wave, just smiling. Welp, I got a tensioner pulley here out on this cleaner. My machine was overheating, and this thing that spins was going real slow. It was kind of missing. So I'm looking here, and this tensioner pulley is out, so it doesn't spin very good. See, I'm turning it pretty hard here with my hand. So I'm gonna take this whole tensioner pulley off and go get a new one. All right, well, I got this tensioner pulley off and I soaked it with some penetrating oil. So you can see it's starting to spin a lot better than it was before. Grandpa's on his way up to get a new one. This might hold me off here for a little while, so I can keep rolling until he gets the new one. But yeah, before I couldn't even spin this. It wouldn't even spin with my finger at all. So soaked it with some Petro 90, and this might hold me off for a few hours. Alrighty, let's fire this old girl up, see how she spins. So what that does is it cleans off right in front of your radiator, because if it's not sitting there cleaning, it can suck up a bunch of stalks right there and your machine will overheat. So looks like it's spinning pretty good. Alrighty, so, and when I rev up the motor, that will spin a lot faster. So let's go test it out. So what I gotta keep an eye on here to make sure it's still rolling good is I can see it in my mirror when it comes around, and I'm also watching my temperature gauge right here. If that stops spinning and plugs up, my temperature will rocket all the way over, so gotta keep an eye on it. Well, I'm coming up to the end here and we're gonna shut her down. Uh-oh. Can't be screwing around here. I gotta drive this thing, but yeah. Rain's coming in. It's starting to pick up now. Lovely windows are all ruined. Well, here's the old pulley, and looks like it was working pretty good after I lubed her up with some penetrating oil, but you know what, we're gonna put a new one on it anyway. So we got a new belt here, new pulley, and this thing's gonna be ready to go. New belt. Boom, ready to go. Well, we're kind of at a little rain delay here now. Combines are ready to go. We looked them over and we're ready to go to the field. So just gotta wait for conditions to be fit. So maybe we can go tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, maybe it won't. I don't know. So I'm gonna continue on this video to the next day. We'll see you then. Well, we're picking this morning, 7:30 right now. I don't know how long this is gonna last. My radar shows a decent cell coming across here this morning, so I keep on picking here until a big rain event comes through, I guess. We sure are looking good to the east. Now let's pan on over to the west. Uh-oh. We got rain coming. Well, here's what we're working with. And that's not gonna miss us. Yeah, we're gonna get rained out. But let's hope we can finish off this field. We don't have much left here to do. We ended up getting about an inch of rain or a little more. we were so dry, it really won't take very long at all to dry this up. So we'll be in the field tomorrow. There's no more rain in the forecast for the next few days, I think. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Appreciate you guys for watching it. I'd appreciate if you'd also give it a thumbs up and hit that sub button down below. And we'll see you next time.